Hey, I just came home from a vacation. I took a lot of lifestyle pics, lifestyle videos, where I shared a lot of my affiliate marketing journey. So let's see how they turn out. So let me actually upload a video and see what happens. Huh? No sound? No. This can't be true. This can't be true. No.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey guys, this is Joyce here, and this is something that just happened to me. I was trying to create content while I was on vacation and I was enjoying some free time, but I realized that I messed up big time because there was no sound in any of my videos.
Oh no!
The reason for that, you ask? I plugged the jack of my selfie stick into my phone while filming, and that was a bad idea. And believe it or not, while googling a solution to retrieve the sound, I found out that I was not the only one who had faced this problem. But until I realized that, it was too late. And the irony in all of that, the topic I was talking about in this video was about lessons affiliate marketers learn in building a profitable affiliate marketing business too late. And this was a perfect example.
You don't say.
But I'll do this again, okay? This lesson I learned today was so valuable and I needed to share this. So, most affiliate marketers who are trying to build a profitable affiliate marketing business are actually thrilled with living a lifestyle of freedom, just like this. But they end up making a lot of mistakes and they realize them when it's too late, just like I did. Hey, it's Joyce here again, and today I want to talk about the 4 lessons affiliate marketers learn in building a profitable affiliate marketing business too late. The first lesson affiliate marketers learn too late is they don't create enough. They keep consuming instead of focusing on creating content. So stop consuming and start creating. Many affiliates get hung up on the consumer's side and they don't create any digital assets of their own. And guys, after spending tens of thousands of dollars in courses and simply consuming, I ended up realizing I was hardly creating any content. And I was struggling in content creation until I discovered the 20-80 rule, where 20% of your time is used to consume, learn, understand any knowledge, and 80% of the rest of the time is used to inform, educate, and entertain what you learn, like entertain people, your audience, about what you learn. An example was while I was implementing what I learned in building a website, I realized I could be doing a video showing how I was implementing it. You see, affiliates fail to realize that what they learn and can teach, they're so valuable. Also, instead of the 20-80 rule, some of you guys can do it in the form of 50-50. Second lesson they learn too late is not being a good leader. Many affiliates promote products, services, or software they have never used before. Never do that. But do you know who does that? Con men. And you are no con man, as you will be building a brand and credibility online. So before you recommend something to someone, make sure you have bought it or used it or tested it at least. You're not only showing your audience that you have a certain knowledge over things you're promoting, but you also appear as a leader who has invested money to see if it's worth it or not.
So much makes sense to me now.
And as an affiliate, being a good leader and being consistent in content creation helps in the attraction of your ideal customers to your world. The third lesson they learn too late is they realize they need to build a value ladder of affiliate products and build an ecosystem around it. You see, as an affiliate, you need to promote affiliate products that complement each other. It is like this that you will be able to recommend the right product to your audience and help them better. Also, not everyone in your audience is the same. Some would want to get high value and will be ready to pay a high price to achieve what they want, but some won't. But that doesn't mean you can't help them. So you will require complementary products at each step of your value ladder that you've created that will serve them at the level they are presently at. Also, the ecosystem around these products is built via email marketing using an email automation software where you're sending them emails on a regular basis to educate and entertain them with valuable content. Always remember, you as an affiliate, you are building a brand, you're building credibility. The more people you help, the more your brand grows. And this leads us to our last lesson, which is lesson 4, is they should have taken testimonials of people they helped. Many affiliates help people but forget to get testimonials.
But why?
Testimonials are actually proofs that you are credible, and these testimonials boost your business drastically. I still remember when I was a newbie, one of my affiliate marketer friends was ranting to me, saying he didn't realize he should have taken testimonials when he helped his fellow audience generate results. And it was thanks to him that I was aware of this and made sure to ask for testimonials after I have helped others. And this, my friend, was the 4 lessons affiliate marketers learn too late while building a profitable affiliate marketing business. And if I forget to mention, make sure to check your content after you have created them to see if there isn't any kind of issues, whether it is quality of sound, problem, or image.
Yes, I will.
So I hope these lessons help you build a brand and a profitable affiliate marketing business the other affiliates wished they knew but was too late. Also, if you need a deeper clarity in affiliate marketing and model what I do using high-ticket affiliate marketing, get access to my free course, Affiliate Freedom Escape. The link is in the description. This course was actually born to help struggling affiliates and give them the clarity I wanted to have when I first got started. So get access to it. See you inside. Bye-bye.